How to remove your mobile number from Snapchat. If you want to remove your mobile number from the Snapchat in just a few minutes, you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. First of all, launch the Snapchat app on your mobile phone. After that, you have to log in into your account if you are not signed in. And on the top left corner of the screen, you can see the profile icon or Bitmoji here. Just go and tap on that. So here you have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top right corner of the screen to navigate to your setting menu. And in the setting menu you have to look for the option of mobile number. Here you can see that. And in the mobile number section you will see your number listed. So you can just go and tap on your mobile number. Just go and clear that mobile number here like this. After that you can simply go back. So this way you can easily clear your mobile number. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.